Dear children, as you know, we have already studied the first part of past tense. Now we are studying the passé composé avec les verbes transitifs et intransitifs. Now the question comes, what are transitive verbs? The verb transitive are those verbs which have direct object, and intransitive verbs take indirect object. The direct object is always without any prepositions, and intransitive verbs which have indirect object, and indirect objects are always with the preposition. So this is the definition of transitive verb and intransitive verb. Now, as you know that the verb transitives and intransitives in passé composé are having different auxiliaries, as transitive verbs take avoir auxiliary and intransitive verbs take être auxiliary. So here we are having the 6 verbs, as you can clearly see: monter, descendre, rentrer, retourner and sortir and passer. So these 6 verbs are always take être and avoir both. So if these 6 verbs are having direct object, it will be always in the form of transitive, as you can see in this example with the verb monter, which is in the transitive form. It means to take something up, as the sentence says, j'ai monté ma valise dans ma chambre. Here after monter we are having the direct object, which is ma valise. So therefore we have used avoir verb. Now in the second example, as it is je suis monté à la tour Eiffel. So here after monter we are having a preposition à, so which is indirect object. It means here La Tour Eiffel is indirect object, so we have conjugated this verb with être. So that is why it is je suis monté à la Tour Eiffel. So this is how we conjugate the verb monter in transitive and intransitive forms. Children, now we will do a quick revision of this tense, past tense. So as I told you, the past tense takes the verbs auxiliary, which are être and avoir. Generally the verbs will be conjugated with avoir, and the verbs which are there in Dr. Mrs. Van der Trom will be conjugated with être. Apart from this, all reflexive verbs will be conjugated with être. So the formation you have learned, those are the subject plus conjugation of être and avoir plus past participle plus object. Apart from this, you have to be particular with the accord, that is with the verb être always. Now you have learned the transitive and intransitive verbs also in passé composé, which are clearly seen by the verb auxiliary, which is avoir and être. So I hope this is clear to everyone. If you have any query, you can ask further.